Hi everyone, today on Booknetic video documentation we will talk about the payments. If you want to learn where you can see past transactions, details of each payment, and exporting it to CSV file, watch closely. Booknetic payment model is user interface that allows businesses and service providers to manage and oversee their payment-related activities. The payments dashboard serves as a central hub for monitoring all financial transactions. You can find details regarding the chosen payment method, total invoice amount, the amount already paid, and the current payment status. If you need to manage the specific payment, click on the third dot of the specific appointment for which you want to view or edit the payment. Then click the Info button and edit the payment. Quick Search feature is designed to locate the essential information you need. This tool allows you to apply filters you want and allow you to find the information with ease. Use the Export to CSV option to extract the payment data in its entirety. This functionality lets you get a snapshot of all payment-related information and use it with Excel or any other tool you want. And that's all. Now you have everything you need to deep dive into payments. Thanks for watching.